Hi, good morning. It's Paul, the Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway. It is May 24th, 2019. This month is almost gone. Anyway, let's see what's going on with the Las Vegas real estate market today. New listings here. Looks like we got a condo, 1,000 square feet. Bedroom, 2 bath with the 1-car garage. Oh, that's not too bad for $177,500. See what it looks like here. Huh? It's interesting. They show the common area instead of the unit. Jasmine Ranch, gated. Nice little 1-car garage. Laundry room, bathroom, nice and clean. Nice and clean. That's good. Alright. So where is this? This is Valley in El Campo Grande. Way up there. Okay. Built in 2004. Okay. Got quite a few properties on the market already today. Here's Red Baron Lane, $950,000, 4,000, almost 4,100 square feet. 3 bedroom, 3 bath with a 4-car garage, no pool or spa. 701. That's Boulder City, I think. Lots of nice pavers. Backed up to some. Look at that. All those garages. It's a big house. Big kitchen. Big all the way around. No wonder it's $950,000. Nice view. Elevator. All around a pretty nice house. Look at that. It's got its own little gate. That is interesting. Okay. And we decided, where is this? Boulder City. Okay. Looking good. Okay, then yesterday, North Dart Drive, 95,000. That's out of the area. Nellis, 125,000. Okay. $1,029 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 1994. Brian Ellis Boulevard. Out there, out there. Okay. Highest priced. $1.199. Whoops. Wow. Get cleared out of here. $3.9 million over on Spanish Hills. 9,500 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 7 baths, 3-car garage, pool, spa, built in '03. That's pretty interesting over on Spanish Hill. View of the city from the pool area. $1 million to live over there. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. And we have 647 under contract today. We got sold today. Okay, one reported today is a 1-story, 1,200 square foot house for $225. Nice little house. One picture. Sahara and Sloan. Okay. Then yesterday, 90,000 for a 900 square foot 2-bedroom 2-bath condo on Pecos. Okay, wow, look at that wall. Seen better days. The unit itself is pretty clean. Okay. Pecos and Lake Mead. Way up there. Okay. Alright. Next deal. Wow, look at all these. 75. 100. 102 between yesterday and today. Over on Shrills, 2.9 million. Brand new house. Another contemporary. These are really popular. Okay. Valley View and Badura. Okay. Interesting. Alright. Well, let's look at what's going on with the pool homes. Last 2 days. Single family, private pool. 52. Nope. How many did we get? 61. 208 to 1.9. And of course, again, they're dotted all over the place. Okay. And then what is the price point? Average price is $500,000. 2,600 square feet. Looks good. All right. Well, that is it for today. So I'll talk to you on Tuesday. Monday is Memorial Day, so we have a nice long weekend. Everybody have a great time and talk to you soon.